Good morning, I'm Soft Kitten Creations and this is another little market vlog. I can't promise there's going to be much custom today because it is forecast to honk it down all day. So let's see how it goes. Let's go, shall we? Editor Chantel here. I didn't actually manage to get any footage of setup today, and for that I am very sorry. But I was in such a rush to get out of the door this morning that I forgot a bag which had all my price tags and my third tablecloth in. So I was reliant on my dad bringing it up for me. Unfortunately, he did manage to get it up to me, but it meant I had to rush set up and get as much done as I could as the doors opened. So unfortunately, setting up the tripod and recording setup just wasn't the main thing on my mind. So I do apologise, but that does mean this one is going to be nice, short, sweet, simple, and it will just be like a little quick, come with me. One of the lovely ladies I met who was originally doing the market has finally got her own shopfront in the same building that the market is attached to, and she has got the prime location. It's on the main bit of road past the beach, it's facing the beachfront. It is just going to be so good for her over the summer. But she has very kindly allowed me to rent a shelf space in there, and I am hoping that this enables me to bring in some slightly more passive income where I don't have to be there constantly peddling my own goods. It's right by the till. It's in perfect eye line for people to say, oh, just quickly, I'm going to look at that. That's kind of cute while they're checking out with her. But yeah, so I am really grateful for this opportunity and I can't wait to see how it goes as the weather warms up and the holiday makers come out. If you holiday in Clacton, Jaywick, or Frinton and Walton, please don't hesitate to make a journey to the Jaywick Sands area to visit her, because her baked goods section is incredible. The pasties and sausage rolls fly off the shelf, but they are so good. The main part of her shop though is all American candy and like witchy mystical goods and decor, as well as hand poured wax melts and stuff. So if you're in the area for your holiday, go visit Kelly's at the Jaywick Sands Sunspot building, where you can not only find all of her incredible stuff in there, but mine as well. I just want to jump in and say I'm really sorry, but what you can hear in the background is me listening to my one true obsession, True Crime with Kendall Ray. Shout out True Crime with Kendall Ray. I apologise, but yeah, sorry. Well, it's another one done. Didn't sell anything again. Problem is, we have to book in blocks of 4 weeks to do this. So I am booked up until my birthday on the 6th of June, which I will be spending there, by the way. Lucky me. So I'm not sure if I'm going to make it, to be honest. I may just make it to the one for my birthday and call it quits if it doesn't get better. So yeah, I'm going to wind down by topping up my candy bucket because I am desperate. I am very lucky to have some friends who I've met doing this market willingly take some stock of mine, including these, to other events and car boots that I am not necessarily able to get to and do. So they are going to sell on my behalf, which I really greatly appreciate. But you will have seen that I did get to set my shelf up in Kelly's. She is one of the seafront facing shops in that building, and yeah, she's letting me rent a shelf. So I have now got my stuff featured in an actual shop. I'll put like some pictures I took here. But yeah, she's like a American candy, like beachy seaside bits. But she also does like fresh baked goods that she gets in every day, and the Cornish pasties and sausage rolls are to die for if they're your kind of thing. But yeah, so I'm very grateful to have been given the opportunity to set up in there, in the hopes that it brings in some passive income when I'm not at the building or at the market. So I don't have much more to give on this one, to be honest. It was another dud, but it can't get any worse. I may have just jinxed myself, but it can't get any worse, surely. So it can only go up. So, yeah. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. If you could give this vid a like and maybe subscribe for more businessy content. You guys on here get first looks, aside from Patreon, at everything I'm doing now. So you get all the behind the scenes and all the little tidbits of everything I'm doing first. See you in the next one. Goodbye.